Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Newhall. Today I'm going to tell you how to use flipgrid. Today I'm going to tell you how to use flipgrid. Okay, first what you're going to do is you're going to look at mrnewhall.blogspot.com. mrnewhall.blogspot.com. And you will see this. This is mrnewhall.blogspot.com. Click on your grade. Today we'll look at third grade. Click on the third grade picture, and we're going to look at lesson 1. This says lesson 1. Click here, and you can see this week's video and some pictures from this week's lesson and the Google slide presentation from lesson 1. And you can see this week's flipgrid. You can also see some YouTube videos from other people if you have the time. But we're going to click here on this week's flipgrid. Okay, and you will see here is grade 3. This is your flipgrid. And here is today's, or here is this week's flipgrid video. Click here, and you can listen. Hello, my name is Mr. Newhall. What's your name? Okay, so you listen to the video, and then you are going to click here to give your answer. So I said, hello, my name is Mr. Newhall. What's your name? So you're going to click here on this big green button, and you're going to type your name. This is your first name, and this is your last name, family name. You can do this in English, if your name is Minsu Kim, or you can type this in Korean too. Minsu Kim. Okay, and then you press this button that says, let's go. Press the let's go button, and you will see this button where it says you need to say yes. You can use your microphone and your camera. Press this button. Okay, and then you'll see this picture like this on the flipgrid video, and you click here to record your video. Click here. It'll give you a countdown, 3, 2, 1. You give your answer. Hello, my name is Minsu Kim. Then you press this button to stop. Then you click on the next button. 2, 1. Give your answer. Hello, my name is Minsu Kim. Then you press this button to 2, 1. Give your answer. Hello, my name is Okay, and then if you like that, you press the next button again. Okay, and now you take a picture of yourself. Look at the camera and take a picture. Say cheese. And click on next. And then you can type something here, or you can keep it, and then press submit video. And you're finished. Okay, everyone, so that is how you use flipgrid. Please visit here, mrnewhall.blogspot.com, and I can't wait to see your videos. Okay, goodbye.